Good morning, everyone. I'm Shalini Dhiman from Rockford Public School, and today we are going to see some short story through these puppets. Wondering who these guys are? These are our famous participants of this story, and this is a special one. Yes, because he will be playing a very better role in our story. So, our story goes like thousands of years ago in the city of Ayodhya, there was a wise and good king named Dashrath. Yes, along with his three queens and four princes, and the eldest one was Ram, and his beautiful wife Sita. Here, lived happily along with his other prince brothers and their wives. But one of the king Dashrath's wife was jealous of Ram and demanded that he be exiled to the forest for over 14 years so that her son Bharat be made king, having one promised his wife to fulfill any wish. The helpless king exiled Ram to the forest, and Ram set off on foot accompanied by his loving wife Sita. Here, and loyal younger brother, and that was our famous one. That was Lakshman. And all of them set to the forest for over 14 years. A few years into their exile, a demoness named Supnakha saw Ram, and then she fell in love with him. She asked Ram to marry her, but Ram refused and asked her to go to Lakshmana instead. But Lakshman was also refused. Enraged, Supnakha showed her true form, and the Lakshman cut off her nose. The demoness went wailing to her brother, who was Ravan, the demon king of Lanka. Ravan was furious and swore revenge with the help of another demon who looked in the form of golden deer. See, I told you, he's the famous one. So now he distracted Ram and Lakshmana and kidnapped Sita from their hut. Since this pretty golden deer distracted Ram and Lakshmana, our pretty Sita got kidnapped by, of course, the furious king Ravana. And hence, our two sweet Ram and Lakshmana realized it was a trap of course, the furious king Ravana. While in a search of Sita, in the way they met with Hanuman, who vowed to be at Ram's service. He could fly over mountains, change side as well, and had superhuman strength. He had the power to leap across the ocean in a single stride. So obviously, he ended up being Raman's strongest ally. And later, of course, it was our Hanuman who finally found Sita, imprisoned in once Ravan's beautiful garden. Hanuman reassured Sita that Ram would be here soon. And then Hanuman went to Ram. And this Hanuman recited whole story to them about the beautiful garden and Sita. And soon a battle started between the two mighty armies, and Ram soldiers managed to kill all the demons except one, and that was our great Ravan. The battle was now between Ram and Ravan. He gave last warning to Ravan. Despite all his efforts, the Ravana was unable to kill. Later, Vibhishan told navel as is the weakest point, and hence the Ram was killed. And he became the one. Hence Ravan was killed and Ram Sita was united. and he just went back to Sita. And our lovely Sita now became very happy, and they got reunited again. And then our Ram and Lakshman went back to Ayodhya with our lovely Sita with Hanuman at their service. And they lived happily ever after. Hence, this day is known as Vijayadashmi because our Hanuman was killed over this day. And of course, the great thought, victory over evil, was shown by this story. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you like it, and happy Vijayadashmi.